Welcome to Dorman Products Air Suspension Strut installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered medium difficulty by our technicians. Basic car knowledge is suggested and should take approximately 1 to 2 hours. Begin the repair by removing the back wheel. Then, using a wedge, remove the small cover behind the back seat. Use a wrench to loosen the brass nut connected to the line. Next, remove the 3 bolts inside. After that, remove the plastic cover by taking off the clips. Then, loosen the torsion bar link nuts. Next, remove the retaining nuts, then unscrew the bolts until they are almost completely removed. Use a punch tool to remove the bolts completely. Be sure not to damage the bolt threads. After that, disconnect the shock control cable located in the fender wall and pull down the thicker end. Then follow the wire down and remove all retaining clips. Remove the torsion bar link. Slide out the old air strut by maneuvering the assembly. The new air strut comes pre-assembled. Don't forget to remove the nuts and brass fitting with the compression fitting inside. Once removal is complete, simply bolt the new air strut up into the vehicle. Follow removal steps in reverse order for installation. When reinstalling the line after reattaching the nuts and bolts under the car, attach the new brass fitting to the tubing behind the back seat.